Hello, what's up, guys? Today I will show you how to change location on Google. So, first open the Google, then tap the Google logo icon, then tap on its profile icon and scroll down and you show the option setting, then tap on it and scroll down and other setting option, tap on it, then choose the language and region options, then search the region option, tap on it and choose the country you like location and tap on it and select the blue icon and your region is successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.